Hi, this is an unboxing video of the Comica Vimo C3 wireless microphone set. So we got here the box. We have two transmitter, one receiver and a box, a carrying case. So let's open this up. We have the carrying pouch where we have everything inside. Here we have some papers, instruction manual, some stickers, a QR code, warranty card, some nice Comica stickers. This is the instructional manual, user manual. It shows you how you can set up the microphone on your shirt, the distance, and how you can connect them. Okay, let's open the carrying pouch, the carrying case. Here we have this nice case with a battery inside it, so you can, while you store your microphones here, you can charge them at the same time, the wireless microphones. Here are the LEDs that show how much you've charged it. You've got a USB-C connection. On the back side you don't have anything. So this is the first transmitter, your first microphone. When you take them out, they automatically turn on, and you can also charge it independently on the back side there. As you saw, it has an USB-C. The receiver is in the middle slot. It also turns on, and also the last receiver is there and also turns on. Okay, let's have a look at what else we've got here in this carrying case. Some silica gel, this braided cable, which is, I think, TRRS, which you can connect to your phone and receiver. This is an USB-C charging cable. I think it's fast charge. Another braided cable. This one you connect to your camera directly. It's an TRS jack, 3.5mm jack. The last cable is a USB-C male to female, and also 3.5 female, so that you can monitor your sound while you record. Here, lastly, we have some dead cats, some windproofing, and you put them directly on the receiver's top. For the transmitter. So now the last one is also a windshield. You cannot close the carrying charging case if you have those fluffy dead cats mounted. I've seen videos on YouTube showing the distance these can transmit from. It was about 100 meters. So far I've been using them and had no problems with them, so I was pretty satisfied. This was about it for the unboxing. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.